Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser Series 78. This casting, as you can see, is by Matchbox and is part of their collector line. Looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So let's have a quick look before we deep dive into the details. I also like how the collector ones come with these boxes, so once you're done, you can put them back in the box. Looks like a nice casting. I can see a lot of details from here. So let's deep dive into it and see everything. So here's the 2017 Land Cruiser 78. Now the paint, it's the classic Toyota paint. Those three strips and that paint looks really good and classic, I would say. Old school. I'm gonna start from the front. So the front has some nice details, as you can see, painted headlamps, grille, Toyota badge, fog lamp, black bumper. Oh, you can also see what, I don't know what that's called. I actually know it, can't remember it. So that means that lets more air come in. Now this one is a right-hand drive. So let's move to the driver's side. Before we do that, you can see this paint here, and which reads Matchbox, I guess. I'm not sure. Oh god, looks like I'm losing my eyesight. It's something in Japanese, I don't know, what does it say? Can anybody explain that? So yeah, you also got both the mirrors and windshield wiper there. Oh, I remember, it's called a snorkel, so you can see a snorkel there. On the driver's side, you got some nice details. You got the turn indicator, you got the mud flaps going down there, rubber tires with those nice looking wheels, beefy 5-spoke. It would look good on any SUV, I guess. I think wheel flares front and back. So it's, if you don't know, it's the classic Land Cruiser still being sold in some of the markets, not all of the markets, I think, because of the emission rules and everything. Same paint theme continues, same, I don't know what's written there, same stuff back there on the bed. Door handles are not painted or detailed, but you can see them there. Coming to the back, again some nice details. Toyota written on the tailgate. You got the tail lamp detail with the tow hook. On the passenger side, looks very identical. Sorry, on the driver, yeah, passenger side looks very identical. Don't see any differences. Interior is finished in black, and if you see, there's some stuff in the pad which is detailed. Looks like a chainsaw, a chain, it might be a tool bag. And this is how that roof looks. No sunroof or anything. Base is metal, and you can see some tread on the tire too. So looks really good, and I think Matchbox has also done a mainline, so maybe soon I will make a comparison video of the mainline with this one. But yeah, for collector it looks good. Has got a good paint job on it, good set of tires and wheels, and some good details too. Well, I think it's a nice one. I might be a little biased towards the old Toyota Land Cruiser, so but it's a good looking casting. I think you will appreciate getting this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.